Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how you can place Glyph scripts on the toolbar. The first thing we need to do is enable the script toolbar. To do so, right-click on any toolbar and scroll down to where it says Script and click to enable it. I already have a number of scripts on my toolbar, and we can go ahead and reposition this like any other toolbar in Pointwise. And the advantage to putting scripts on the toolbar is that instead of having to go to the script menu and browse to your script every time, you can place your most commonly used scripts on the toolbar and execute them like any other command in Pointwise, which is really handy. So we're going to go ahead and place a new script on this toolbar. We'll do that by going to Script, Add Script to Toolbar. We'll first browse to the location of the script. I'm going to click Create OH because this is the one that we're going to put on the toolbar. We can then change the name of the script. This is what will show up when we hover over the icon. And then we can select an icon from this palette. I'll just select the first one. And you'll notice we now have a new icon for Create OH on our script toolbar. So let's go ahead and execute that. Select connectors, run the script, execute, and I've created an OH topology just like this was any feature in Pointwise. Now what if we want to kind of manage the position of the scripts on the toolbar, their order, or edit them or remove them? We could do that using the Script Toolbar Manager from the Script menu. So we'll scroll down to where it says Script Toolbar Manager, and now we have this table of all of the scripts that are currently on the toolbar. We can click on one, we can use these arrow keys to reorganize them, we can edit them. Maybe we've changed the location of the script, we need to update it, or we want to change the name or icon, we could do that. We could even add scripts from this menu or remove them. So let's go ahead and remove this Create OH script from the toolbar by selecting it and hitting the Remove button and click OK. And you'll now notice that that script is no longer available on the toolbar. So that's how you can add, edit, remove, and even reorganize scripts on the new Glyph scripting toolbar in Pointwise. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.